Calling in Spectrum. This is Alex. How may I assist you?
Yes, I was calling here to get some money off my bill.
Yes, you are connected with the promotional department of Spectrum, and we are offering you a 50% discount on
Oh,
your Spectrum bill. First of
oh,
all, let me go ahead and pull up your account details. Meanwhile, can you please confirm your phone number associated with your account?
yes, on my Spectrum, right?
Yes.
831 533 3335.
All right. And can you please confirm your first and last name?
Yes, my name is Rebecca Jones.
And can you please confirm your service address along with the zip code?
Yes, it's gonna be 93906.
All right. And can you please confirm your four-digit security code?
Yes, it would be 1051.
All right. Let me go ahead and pull up your account details. Can you hold on for a moment? I will be
Yes,
right
I
back.
can.
Thank you. Hold on.
Alright, dear.
First thing on the line, are you still there?
Yes.
All right. You just provide me a phone number 831-533-3335. It is
Yes.
not associated with your account.
Oh, well, this could be the problem. I think I know what it is. See, my husband and
Okay.
I just got divorced, and he used to have a bunch of different phone numbers. I'm not sure which one it is, so now I need the service on this without him.
Okay, that's fine. So for this recording purpose, may I know how much was your last month's bill?
Well, we were paying, I think, about $281.
All right. So I can see that on average you're paying $281 per month, but from now onwards, your new monthly bill is going to be $140, including all the taxes and
Oh,
equipment charges, whereas your existing package will remain the same. And the best part is it's a contract-free offer for the next 3 years. All right?
oh, that's great.
Perfect. So, in order to get started, there is one simple condition. You can say there is a catch. You have to pay the first 6 months of the bill upfront, which is $840, according to
Okay.
the near price of $140. Once you manage to pay the $840, there won't be any bills from Spectrum for the next 6 months. And after the 6 months, you will receive a flat bill of $140 for the remaining months of this
Oh,
offer.
okay. This is a good
So
deal.
if this is manageable for you to pay
Yes,
$840
it
today,
is.
should I go ahead and sign you up and apply the discount on your
Yeah,
account?
sign me up right away because I gotta get this out of my husband's name. I want it on
All
my
right,
own.
hold on. Let me go ahead and generate the code for you and apply the discount on your account. So hold
Yeah,
on.
does this include the cable box in the bathroom?
Sorry?
We have a bunch of televisions here. That we have them in each room and in the bathroom and the kitchen. Does it include those?
You are connected with the Spectrum, and
Yes,
what's
the
wrong with
cable boxes. Will my bill go up
cable
because the
boxes?
cable
Yes,
boxes?
yes,
Yes, the cable
yes,
box.
yes, exactly, yes.
It will go up because of the cable boxes.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh well, I thought we were making it go down.
Okay.
Is it because of the cable box?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, the cable box did this. Okay. So what do we do now?
First of all, let me go ahead and generate the code for you and apply the discount
Oh,
on
you're
your
gonna
account. Can you
generate
hold
it for the
on?
cable box, right?
I'm asking you, I will generate the code for you, not a cable box.
Oh, for you said you're putting in the cable box, right? Okay. You got it?
What?
You said you were generating the code for the cable box.
I will generate the code for the promotion. You have to pay
Oh, okay. Well, that's
$840
fine. I'm
today.
willing to pay it. But what about the cable box?
What about that?
Well, is there going to be an extra charge for the cable boxes that I have?
Yes, you have it. You have to pay the extra charges.
Okay, I could pay it. Well, how much are the cable boxes?
Let me check it out and let you know about that.
Yes, because I have like 13 cable boxes here.
How many cable boxes?
Well, we have them in each room. 13.
14, you say?
13. We have them in each
13,
room.
alright.
We have one outside on the
Alright.
patio too, under the awning with a TV.
Alright.
Can
Here
I
we
get a
are.
replacement cable box for the one outside?
No,
Because
not right now.
what happened was my husband got mad and he put water on the front of it. So how do we replace that one?
You can call the customer service and replace
Oh,
that.
they replace it, you don't replace it? Oh.
Yes.
But we get the discount for it, right? For each and every
Mm-hmm.
discount at Spectrum?
Yes.
So, does this give me each and every discount?
Uh-huh.
Good. So what do I need to do? Is there something I need to do right now?
You have to pay $840.
Well, I just said I would. I want to.
So
That's
hold
what I'm
on.
asking. Well, how do I do it? Do I do it through the cable box
Let
on
me
the
tell you.
TV? I do it on the cable box, right? How am I paying this? You're not giving me the instruction. Are you there? I owe $800 and I'm supposed to pay it. Well, how am I paying it? You're not telling me. Hello?